I'm gonna go back out and try to get a speed run on both the XP and the X2, kind of just out of curiosity. I'd like to get one on the X2 because I just did a bunch of work to it. I'm assuming that it's probably not going to be any faster. I think it's quite a bit quicker. Oh, which reminds me, Megan and I had a couple of races, and the first couple, Megan was running out of fuel, switched the XP over to reserve and lined them up again, and quite surprisingly, I expected the XP to be faster. Yeah, it wouldn't have made any sense at all if the X2 was faster. But anyway, turns out that the X2 is actually quite a bit quicker out of the hole. It doesn't take too long for the XP to catch up, but I was quite surprised by that. Anyway, I'm gonna head back out and do some speed runs. The XP has a nice compartment that I can put my phone in. Okay. On this, I think I'll just do a speed run. I might play around a little bit on the X2. All right, I'm recording. Let's find out what this will do. Let it warm up a little bit. The water's nice and calm. Different trim positions. That doesn't seem very fast. Max 47. Interesting. I can definitely tell. What the heck is that? Well, that's a low spot, I guess. Okay, so that's quite interesting. It feels like... Okay, this can't be working right. It says it's only going... It must not have good satellite reception in there or something. That's ridiculous. There's no way I only went 20... Oh, it's average. Oh, 51. So I went 51 miles an hour that time. And it's interesting, I could actually feel it picking up speed as I nosed up. I thought nose down was faster, but I don't know a lot about jet skis, so anyway, we're gonna try it back in the other direction. I'm gonna keep the phone out now because I think there's probably little chance of anything bad happening. Reset. Oh no. All right, we might be running out of fuel. Where's the dock? I thought it wasn't, but I was reading the average.
Oh.
So it went 51 max.
51 kilometers?
Miles.
Miles?
Yeah, which I think it should go faster, but well, it's a few years old, but also it kind of does seem like it's starving for fuel sometimes. But let's put some fuel in it. I'm gonna take it back out and do another quick test. See if more fuel helps. 51 miles an hour isn't terribly slow, but I kinda expected it to do closer to 60.
Godspeed.
All right. XP test. See if I get any different result. I should turn on my app. Jet Ski Brothers style. All right, reset. All right, let's do this. Check to see what that was. 62! 62 miles an hour. That's more what I expected. All right, there's your answer, YouTube. 62 miles an hour. Make sure the camera got it. 62 max. All right, take a screenshot. I did back and forth as I was riding. I hit 62 miles an hour on the first.
62?
Yeah, which is kind of almost exactly what I expected. Reset. Yeah.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
I do, yeah.
What's it called?
It's my name, Joel Arsenal.
Get cards or something handled because people never know how to spell that. I was watching the people over there. The poor kid, he was having such a hard time. I don't know.
He was the kid who I was saying did the intro for me and was like a natural. He was just like...
Oh, that was the same kid?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, if I had known that, I really would have gone up to make sure.
Please work.
Yeah, because you can't stop and check that one out there, eh?
Not really. Somebody's having fun. Hopefully the phone stays running and yeah, doesn't try to order anything from Safeway. Oh, I got another beer can.
Gets wet in there, hey?
Yeah, there's no seal whatsoever, so they have drain holes, so you can see it peeing out the side. $46. Oh, 40.
Right now?
Yeah, I think so. 46 miles an hour.
Wow.
That's 5 miles an hour gain. Holy crap.
Was the water this calm last time you tested it?
Yeah, I tested it down along the side just before the bridge where it was super smooth.
Yeah.
46 miles an hour. Boom. That's crazy. Holy crap. All right, I'm gonna go play for just a little bit because I still...
Should I get my book or just hang out on a picnic table? How long?
Probably 10 minutes. All right, folks, after that, I don't think I can top the, I don't think I can top that. I think I should probably just end the video here.